Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Got my Flywing 450 here, FW450 V2.5 with gear mod naturally, so we know the gear belt's not going to snap. We're on the H1, so it's completely stock in that sense. However, I fly in well, I don't fly in ATI or GPS anymore. I now fly in either 6G or angle and 3D.
3D mode.
So let's take it up quickly, and I'm going to switch to 3D mode mid-air, and if that is successful, I'm going to just do some basic circuits here. I wonder if I should just take off in 3D mode to begin with. Well, let me just take it up. Let me go to angle mode.
GPS angle mode.
Just to get a feel of it.
Shift normal.
And okay, so here we go. One, 2, 3, and run.
Armed. Shift.
So we're still stabilized here. Yeah. Still stabilized. Yeah, feels good. So I'm going to flick to 3D mode. I think I'm going to take off in 3D mode rather, so I can just get a feel of it, and I'm going to just do some circuits, like a little bit of squares, just to get the feel of it. So let's land it and go to 3D mode. I'll land it there. So I see the head speed does increase. So here we go. Bit of height. So we are now in 3D mode. Let's see if I can keep it going. It's only my first flight in 3D mode with this machine. So still getting the feel of it. I see there's a bit too much expo on the well, maybe not. It's just still getting the hang of it here. So before I start doing my little moves. Very stable is what I can say. So let's try some rectangles. It's not that easy. A little bit nervous there still.
5 minutes.
Now it's not that I can't have my nose in, that's not the problem. It's just that I'm not quite there yet with the centering of the sticks to not make it wobble all over the place. The altitude section is not so bad, keeping the altitude, you know. So I wonder what this head speed goes to, actually. That would be a good thing to ask. I don't know if it increases by 10%, 5%, I have no idea.
4 minutes.
Getting there. I'm not quite ready to do a full figure 8 yet for some reason, but we're getting there. Slowly but surely.
30 seconds. 20 seconds.
We're going to actually run this battery flat.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Timer 1 elapsed.
Okay.